Imagine a world made of magic, where visions come true. With Emotive, this becomes your reality. A brand pulsating with energy and optimism. From our roots dating back to 1936 to our present and future, Emotive has been the leading platform for the automotive aftermarket. With a passionate commitment to excellence, innovation and sustainability, we've gathered a powerhouse brand lineup into one ecosystem to provide you with top-quality products, services, and customer experiences. Our unparalleled product and service offering unfolds like a magical symphony, seen through the enchanted eyes of our customers, employees, and partners. Together, we aim to flourish and create meaningful win-win situations for all. Since its inception in 2012, Platinum Plus has consistently set new standards in craftsmanship and quality assurance. Each product undergoes rigorous third-party validation and internal testing, ensuring adherence to the highest industry standards. From plastic to metal components, Platinum Plus offers a comprehensive range of products, compliant with EU and UK regulations and manufactured in approved facilities. Join us on this transformative journey and let's grow together. Emotive. Magic drives.